ranking best nonchalant walks. That was negative aura. This trio was badass.
They don't say congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich.
That was smart plan. This guy was smooth.